Hey Transformers, today I want to discuss with you another nutrient that is popularly known for one effect or one benefit, but also has a lot of other benefits that a lot of people don't know. What I'm referring to today is vitamin A. Vitamin A is popularly known to improve vision. It's good for your eyes. But aside from that, vitamin A is vital for cellular growth and development, for cellular recognition. It helps boost your immune system, it helps your heart, your lungs, and your kidneys, and also it helps your reproductive organs or reproductive systems. Now, if you don't have enough vitamin A, you'll be more prone to having night blindness or poor vision. So that's something that a lot of people know. But aside from that, you will be more prone to having infections, some reproductive problems, and also you can have dry, bumpy skin because when you have vitamin A in your diet, enough of it, you can have healthier skin and hair. All right. So I know for some people, those are enough reasons to actually have to make sure that they have enough vitamin A in their diet. Now, where do we get the vitamin A in our diet? Fatty fishes are rich in vitamin A, such as herring or salmon. Aside from that, you can have them from fish oil and from carotenoids. That's the orange color of the fruits and vegetables because carotenoids they get converted to retinol, which is the active form of vitamin A. But anyway, so orange fruits and vegetables such as pumpkin, squash, carrots. So those are good sources of vitamin A also. All right. So go and make sure you have enough vitamin A in your diet so you can not only be more resistant to infections and have better eyesight, but also have better looking hair and skin. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear your comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.